Good morning, Forbies. It's about 2 minutes to 5 a.m. 2 minutes to 5 a.m. This is an important time for our lobster fishermen. Lobster fishermen would be heading out to sea at this time. One of the hugest things for a lobster fisherman is the saying, red sky at night, sailor delight. Red sky in the morn, sailors take warn. Now, you can see here, I'm out in a field in Grand Prairie, the big prairie. That's the French word for grand is big, and it is a big sky here today. So we're out here on location out in McCrae Industrial Park. If you look at that way, you can see our school. So there's way down the road there. You can see Maud Clifford, and you walk out the front door. You can see the McCrae Industrial Park Road. All right. So here we go. This is the second last chapter. Second last chapter. It's called Lucky Catch. 23 on a sign. I'm not too sure what that might be. But here we go. I'll put the phone kind of out without the mosquitoes. There we go. The mosquitoes. Good evening and welcome, Boom the Auctioneer. Let's waste no time and get straight to the bidding. First up, a crate of the finest canned lobster in the world, generously donated by Lower Narrow Spit, very own cannery by Lara. That's the lucky catch. Um, that's lucky catch, Norris's dad added. He half stood and waved to the crowd. Graham noticed that the tops of Norris's ears went pink at the muted response from the audience. Oh, that's too bad. Now, who wants to start the opening bid? Asked the auctioneer cheerfully in an effort to end the awkward silence. Buzz off, Buzz. The 4B Buzz. These are the buzzing mosquitoes. Graham leaned over towards his dad. When? When? When will the giant lobster be auctioned? Probably not to the very end. It's what everyone has come to see. The auctioneer will want to build the suspense. Geez Louise, Graham grumbled. He tugged at his shirt, which was sticking to him. Hey, bada, called the auctioneer as bids started to roll in. The auction went on and on, one item after one item, selling after another. Slowly, the stage grew bare uh, around the behemoth lobster and the live lobster. And then there was one item. Oh, I gotta close the window. This is just getting crazy with these mosquitoes. Let's see what we can do here. We turn this on. Here we go, and get rid of that. Oh, here we go. All right. Oh. And where was it? Let's go here. Um, the auction went on and on, one item after another, and then there was a just one item left, displayed like a gargantuan centerpiece. She likes to use that gargantuan word. Huge gargantuan centerpiece on the empty dining room table. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this concludes Lower Narrow Spit's annual lobster auction. We've got nothing left to sell. No, wait, what's this? Joked the auctioneer, turning to the giant lobster. To the giant lobster.